Welcome back, traders. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a powerful scalping strategy that combines two highly effective tools, the triangular moving average TMA and a custom version of the Smart RSI. This strategy is called reversal scalping with RSI and TMA, and it's designed for fast, high-probability entries by identifying price reversals at extreme zones. It's especially effective in range-bound or sideways markets, and it can be used in both Forex and binary options high-low trading. Let's dive into the full setup, trading rules, and how to maximize your results with this system. This strategy works by spotting overbought and oversold zones where the price is likely to reverse. It uses a double confirmation method. The TMA indicator helps us identify when price is overextended. The Smart RSI confirms momentum exhaustion and gives us a clear entry signal. The synergy between these two indicators allows us to catch sharp reversals with great timing, perfect for scalping. Before we go any further, here's where this strategy shines best. Works great on ranging markets, minor or local trends, synthetic or low volatility currency pairs. Avoid using it in strong trending markets. High volatility news periods. It's particularly suited for Asian trading sessions, where price tends to respect technical levels more consistently. For recommended settings, time frame, 3-minute chart or higher, currency pairs, EURGBP, EURCHF, AUDNZD, AUDCAD, AUDCHF, GBPCAD, GBPCHF, or any pair that shows stable, range-like movement. Before we jump into the strategy itself, let's set up the indicators you'll need on TradingView. First, we'll add the TMA or triangular moving average. Set the period to 35, then set the deviation to 60, and finally the ATR multiplier to 4. This will plot 3 smooth bands, an upper band, a middle line, and a lower band. They work just like Bollinger Bands, but with less noise and a much cleaner look. These bands help us spot overbought and oversold price zones with greater clarity. Next, we'll add the Smart RSI, a custom version of the traditional relative strength index. You can leave the settings at default, levels set between 25 and 75, or, if you prefer more conservative entries, use 20 to 80. Now here's the smart part. The RSI line changes color depending on market conditions. When the RSI rises out of the oversold area, it turns blue, that's your buy signal. When it drops out of the overbought zone, it turns red, that's your sell signal. This visual cue makes it incredibly easy to spot potential reversal points, even in fast-moving markets. And that's it for the setup. In the next part, we'll break down the exact entry rules so you know when to pull the trigger. Now that your indicators are in place, let's break down exactly how to enter trades with this strategy. We'll start with the buy setup. Here's what you're looking for. First, the price must touch or break below the lower TMA band. This tells us that the market is likely oversold. Next, look at the RSI. It should have dipped below the 25 or 20 level and now be curving back upward. As soon as the RSI line turns blue, that's your signal. Go ahead and place a buy order. Now for the sell setup, it's simply the reverse. First, the price must touch or break above the upper TMA band, indicating potential overbought conditions. Then check the RSI. It should have climbed above the 75 or 80 level and is now starting to turn back down. Once the RSI line turns red, that's your confirmation. It's time to enter a sell order. Pro tip, if you get a second signal in the same direction shortly after your first entry, you can consider taking a second trade. Just make sure to adjust your stop loss accordingly to manage risk properly. In the next section, we'll cover exactly how to manage your trades once you're in, so stay tuned. The real key to long-term success lies in how you manage your trades. Let's talk about risk management, specifically where to place your stop loss and when to take profit. Stop loss. To protect your capital, always set a stop loss. Place it just beyond the previous swing high or swing low, depending on the direction of your trade. This gives the trade enough breathing room while keeping your downside under control. Take profit. Now, for exits, you've got two solid options. First, aim for a minimum 1-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio. This means your potential reward is equal to what you're willing to risk, a balanced, disciplined approach. Alternatively, you can take profit when price touches the middle TMA band. This method works especially well for scalping, letting you lock in quick profits before momentum fades. By combining smart entries with conservative exits, you give yourself the best chance to win more often and stay in the game longer. In the next section, we'll go over a few pro tips to help you get even more out of this strategy. Before you jump in and start trading live, here are a few pro tips that can make a big difference in your results. Tip 1. Trade during sideways or mildly trending markets. This strategy shines best when the market is moving sideways or showing only a gentle trend. Avoid strong trends or high volatility sessions, especially during major news events. Those conditions can easily throw your signals off. Tip 2. Focus on the Asian session. If you're scalping, the Asian trading session offers ideal conditions, lower volatility, and more range-bound movement. That means more reliable reversals and fewer fakeouts. Tip 3. Use candlestick confirmations. Want even stronger entries? Combine the RSI and TMA signals with classic reversal candlestick patterns, like pin bars or engulfing candles. This adds an extra layer of confirmation before you pull the trigger. Tip 4. Practice first on demo. Don't rush in with real money. Take time to test this strategy on a demo account. Learn how it behaves in different market conditions. Once you've seen it work, then scale up gradually. By following these tips, you're not just trading smarter, you're setting yourself up for consistent, repeatable success. Alright, now that you understand how the strategy works, let's take a look at some real trades I've taken recently using this exact setup. We'll break them down together: entry, stop loss, take profit, so you can see exactly how the rules play out in live market conditions. And there you have it, the complete breakdown of the reversal scalping strategy using TMA and Smart RSI. It's simple to learn, quick to execute, and powerful when used in the right market conditions. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let me know if you want to see a live trading session using this strategy. Thanks for watching and happy trading!